Hello mga travel, if you're looking for a free tourist attraction in Taupo, New Zealand, Aratia Rapids is a must-see on your visit to Taupo. Watch the thousands of liters of water rush from the dam gates to transform the peacefully gully into raging rapids. Aratia Rapids is one of the most popular natural attractions in New Zealand's North Island. Aratia Dam are located on the Waikato River downstream of Lake Taupo, about 16 km from Taupo town center. The dam opens 3 times a day in winter and 4 times a day in summer. The whole family will love watching the water gush from the dam and fill the rapids below. A schedule of summer from October to March is 10 a.m., 12 p.m., 2 p.m., and 4 p.m. And for winter, 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. and 2 p.m. There are a lot of viewing points in the area. Parking, no problem. There are a lot of plenty of parking and for camperman and cars. And it's for free. No worries for parking fee. It's all for free. If you are in Taupo, a must visit is the Aratia Rapids in Taupo, New Zealand. Ratia means stairway of after the legendary Maori explorer Tia. Let's go!